Okay, instead of E, I will be using another important term. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now tell me today's first knowledge, that everybody want to increase the tension or decrease the tension?
Decrease.
Decrease. And tension is directly proportional to?
Directly proportional. Energy, na sir?
Yes, those who have more energy, they are in more tension form.
Yes, sir.
This concept you have to understand. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, when energy is less, okay, tension is less. When energy is more, tension is more.
More.
Okay, so many people cannot understand that if energy is more, it is good. No. If energy is more, that particle is in great tension. Okay, children.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see what I am writing today. And some, do you know, some atoms are happy when they lose electron,
Yes.
and
No,
when they
sir, I
are,
don't.
and when some particles are happy when they gain electron. Are you getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Some atoms are feeling happy to gain electron, and
Yes.
some atoms are feeling happy to lose electron.
Okay.
Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, hello,
Yes, sir.
please maintain silence. See, today what we are going to learn. Today's our topic is, okay, and one more word I want to introduce. Okay,
Yes, sir. Yes.
a better term for energy, I will use one more standard word, enthalpy. It is also a kind of energy, children. Okay, standard word. Do you accept? Hello?
Yes, sir.
What I told?
Sir, I don't know enthalpy. This one.
You don't know. That's why today I am teaching you. No, I am telling you. You have heard the word energy, no?
Yes.
Okay. So you have heard from, I think, from 5 to 7 years, you are hearing energy, 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 energy.
Yes, sir.
Yes. From today onwards, what I am telling you, that a better word of energy is enthalpy. Enthalpy. Tell me,
Thalpi.
enthalpy. Yes, try to use from today onwards. What is enthalpy? A better term of energy. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Any problem? Tell me. Using some
No, sir.
standard word, do you feel some tension?
No, no.
Then I am telling you it is a better term. Instead of energy, now we will use enthalpy. Repeat it.
Yes, sir. Enthalpy.
Tell me 10 times. Enthalpy, enthalpy, enthalpy. 10 times.
Enthalpy,
One.
enthalpy, 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 enthalpy.
Yeah. So enthalpy is also means we will use, instead of energy, we will use enthalpy. It is a better term. Slowly you will come to know why you are using enthalpy. It is a good term, enthalpy. And do you know, enthalpy is represented as H. Capital H.
It is denoted.
Yes. In short form, when we write H,
Yes.
okay, either we can read as hydrogen
Yes.
or we can read as enthalpy.
Enthalpy.
That depend upon various cases. Automatically you will come to know that now
Yes,
the
sir.
H is representing enthalpy or hydrogen. Okay,
Okay, sir.
but the symbol of enthalpy is H. Shall I move forward?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So what is enthalpy?
H means in denoted H.
What is exactly meaning of enthalpy?
Energy.
Yeah, it is energy, or you can say total energy.
Okay.
So what is energy? Something energy. And what is enthalpy?
Enthalpy means total energy or energy.
Yeah, total energy. Better you say total energy or total heat content. When I will teach thermodynamics, then you
Yes.
will get more clarity. So from today onward, instead of energy, we will use enthalpy. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, right.
So written.
Okay. So whatever doubt you feel, please tell me, because today you are representing all students. So you have to ask every problem so that remaining student listen you and they can understand. Okay, you have put the same question in front of teacher. Okay, so children, today we are going to learn about very important term, that
Sir,
is
you tell na that today MCQ.
today MCQ. You didn't attend last class 4 o'clock.
No, sir. Network problem was there, na. That's why.
We have done.
Every day I attend, sir.
Okay, so yesterday we have completed MCQ. Okay, so I will send you the that lecture to you. Just send me in
Okay, sir.
WhatsApp. Okay,
Okay, sir.
we have completed. I think we have done some 10 problems. Okay, MCQ.
Okay, sir.
Please send me. Seriously, I'm
Hmm.
telling you. Please send me just request in my WhatsApp. I will send you the
Okay,
lecture.
sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So children, today we will learn about energy. Sorry. Electron gain enthalpy. See, the word came, no? Enthalpy. What is enthalpy?
Energy.
Yes, energy. That is
Means
sufficient.
electron. Means sir, electron gain energy.
Yeah,
It's
definitely. So you might be having a question that why we don't use energy, electron gain energy.
yes.
Yes, you can use. You can use. But I am telling you, this is more advanced word. This is more advanced word than energy.
Okay, sir.
So whenever we want to purchase some mobile or like this, will you purchase the old version or new version?
New version.
Then the new version of energy is enthalpy.
Okay, sir.
Did you understand? Please,
Yes,
please
sir.
uplift your standard. So instead of energy, what you will use?
Enthalpy.
Enthalpy. Okay, so what is enthalpy?
Energy.
Yeah, standard form of energy. Okay, or total heat, total energy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so the topic is electron gain enthalpy. Okay, children.
Okay,
See,
sir.
so I'm giving one example. there are many atoms who required electron, children, who required electron. They are in need of electron. Without electron, they are unhappy. They are in tension. Okay, many. Okay, so I can give you some example. Wait, I will give you some example. See, suppose fluorine atom is there, children. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Do you know fluorine has 7 valence electrons? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Please respond quickly so that I can move forward. Okay, 7
Yes,
valence
sir.
electron. Tell me,
Yes.
he want to complete its octet or not?
No, sir.
He don't want to complete it octet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Complete, sir.
Yeah, he is having 2 and 7. So everybody want to complete their octet. Then they feel happy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, definitely. Octet means a kind of happiness. So everybody want to become happy. Did you understand? Everybody want to complete their octet.
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, suppose initially its enthalpy was H1. Initially its enthalpy was
H1.
H1. Okay. And I am telling you this, the value of H1 is very high. And if energy is very high, means the particle is in tension or relaxed.
In tension it will be.
Yeah, he is very tension. He is highly tension mode. Why?
Because her energy, this one energy, na sir? H1.
Yes, yes.
Then her energy was increased, na. That's why.
Yeah.
Her
Why energy is increased? Do you know why he is in tension?
because her
Octet is not completed.
Yes, sir.
He is not satisfied.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how many electron he wants?
7, 8, 9, 10, 7, 9.
Do you know octet? Do you know octet? Octet means 8 electrons.
Yes, sir.
In their outermost orbit. How many electrons are here till now? Just see.
7. 1, 2,
7.
3, 4,
So
5, 6,
to
7.
complete octet, how many electron he required?
2.
7
Complete
plus
1.
7 plus 2, 9.
Octet means 8, na. 7 plus
Yes.
1.
Yes, only he want only 1 electron. Only 1 electron. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will give 1 electron to this particle. Okay.
Sir.
See, we have given this electron. When we have shown plus means we have given this electron to this particle. This electron will go here and adjust here. And see, now it become, now its octet is completed, children. This new electron
Yes,
came from outside. Somebody gave. And first it was neutral. Now one extra electron is there. So it became minus charge also. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now the process is finished. I have written 1 comma. And see, 2 and 8. Its electronic configuration is 2, 8. Octet is complete.
Yes.
Now this particle is happy. So what will be the condition of H2? H2 is less or H2 is more?
More.
Now he is happy, no?
Happy means less. Sorry.
Yes. So H1 was more. Means
Yes,
tension. And now H2 is what?
Less.
less. Means now he is in relaxed mode. So he has given out some energy. He has given out some tension.
Yes,
So
sir.
see, now I want to calculate del H. Do you know del H? Do you know what is the value meaning of del H? H2 minus H1.
Yes, sir.
And do you know what is the del H? Del H value. I will write the del H value. See, the value is minus. When you see minus, what you will understand?
The negative.
Negative means
Less.
this particle has
Yes.
released or absorbed?
Release.
Released. So minus 328 kilojoule per mole. Okay, this much energy is released by this particle. Okay, children.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so this energy, okay, this much energy what has been released after accepting electron per mole, okay, is known as electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy.
Enthalpy.
So okay, what is electron gain enthalpy? Tell me. It is the amount of energy exchanged. It is the amount of energy exchanged by an isolated atom. It is the amount of energy exchanged by an isolated atom when it gained how many electrons? One
Yes, sir.
electron. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So this is the meaning of electron gain enthalpy. Okay. So when we will define per atom. Okay. But
Okay,
per
sir.
atom the energy is very less. So we are providing in per mole. And per mole, you know, Avogadro's number atoms. Hello? 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 Supriya? Supriya?
Yes,
Supriya,
sir.
are you
Sir,
there?
yes, sir. Unmute हो गया था.
Okay, कोई problem नहीं. बड़े बड़े शहरों में छोटी छोटी बातें होते रहती हैं. So it is the amount of energy exchanged by an isolated atom when it gain one electron. Okay. So
Okay, sir.
for one electron the energy very less, no? So then we will use per mole. Per mole means Avogadro's number. So when 1 mole of fluorine will gain 1 mole of electron, then this much energy will be released, and this energy is known as electron gain enthalpy. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note it down. Note it down.
Sir, written.
Okay. Now see another example I am writing. Example 2. Okay. Example 2. Fluorine is there. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And I gave 1 electron. It required. Okay. It required 1 electron. I gave. So it became minus. So initially it was H1 and finally it was H2. So after the process was completed, when I putting comma means the process is completed. So del HEG is equal to minus means released. Okay. How much energy was released? 349 kilojoule per mole. So yeah. Now write the language. Please write the language. By seeing this, please write the language form. What had happened? Tell me. Write in language. Or who can write the language? Please raise your hand. Simran is there. Other than Simran, who can write in language? Who can write in language? So, please raise your hand. Don't put me in chat box. Please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. Those who can write in language form. Please raise your hand. Anybody is there? Aditya Kumar, unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Good morning,
Okay.
sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Can you write this total operation in language form?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me. I will write the same word.
So first of all, chlorine,
Yeah,
the
see,
electronic configuration of chlorine is
Okay.
287.
287.
So
Very
to
nice.
form its
288.
so to form its octet rule,
Yeah.
to
It
form
gain
its
electron.
octet rule, it have to gain one electron.
Okay.
The energy of the
So
chlorine,
after gaining electron, he became happy or unhappy?
Happy.
it became happy.
Yeah. And for when he became happy means his tension was reduced. So
Yes, sir.
previously tension was high.
Yes.
Yes,
And
sir. The
after
energy
that
was
tension
high.
was less. And
Yes, sir.
what is the difference in the tension? This much is the difference in the tension.
Yes, sir.
349 kilojoule per mole.
Joule per mole.
Yeah. So see the word we can write. Yes, good. You have given a correct sentence. So see, I am writing in the word when. Okay.
Yes, sir.
One mole of electron was given to 1 mole of isolated Cl atoms, comma, okay. How much energy was released? Tell me.
Minus 349 kg per
Okay.
mole.
So
Kilojoule per mole.
349 kilojoule, okay, per mole. Enthalpy was, your energy was released. For release, we have used release, and in the symbolic form we are using minus charge. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Good, very nice. In same way, now I am giving you one. Please note it down first. So what is the value of electron gain enthalpy here?
349 kilojoule per mole.
Yes, minus 349 kilojoule per mole.
Kilojoule per mole.
Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you ready for example 3?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So example 3 is there, children. Example 3. Okay. Bromine is there. Now try to avoid unnecessary things. This electronic configuration and all we will means no need. Okay, we know that bromine required electron. Okay, that's why it bromine. We have given electron and it became Br minus, and the del H was minus 325 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so this is Eg, means electron gain enthalpy change. Now tell me the wordings, or let me see who can. Please raise your hand. Sadil, Sahidul Islam. Shahidul Islam,
Yes, sir.
would you like to convert this notation in language form?
Yes, sir.
Please start.
The above equation
When okay, come
when
to this.
one mole
When one mole of
bromine isolated bromine atoms get 1 mole of electrons, then they form bromine minus anion.
okay, and
They form bromine minus anion and they obtain octet stability.
okay, and
And the energy that they release due to attaining stability is minus 325 kilojoule per mole.
okay. So either you can use minus or release. Both the terms is same. Either you use release or either you use minus.
Okay, sir.
So when you are using language, then you use word release. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am writing your wording. 1 mole of electrons was okay, was gained by 1 mole of isolated Br minus atoms. Okay. Then 325 kilojoule per mole enthalpy was released. See, for this minus charge I am using word released. Okay, they have converted into this anion form. That is, everything is okay, but I have written the nutshell language, means the important words what we actually required. That when 1 mole of electron was gained by 1 mole of isolated Br atoms, okay, then this much energy was released. Did you understand, children?
Yes, sir.
And this release in energy is known as electron gain enthalpy. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I would like to tell you, okay, the factors affecting. I'm giving you one more example. I would like to have another participant other than these three. Now I want a new participant. I am giving one. I am giving one example. Neon. Do you know neon is the inert gas? Already its octet is completed. Octet is completed. He is happy now. H1. I gave electron. It became minus. And del HEG was plus 116 kilojoule per mole. Now tell me, who will, dear participant, Ria,
Yes, sir.
are you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this one was H1 and this was H2. Can you convert this expression into language form?
Yes, sir.
Okay, wait, I am rubbing and then you please convert.
Start video.
Those who miss any lecture, no, please send me in my WhatsApp. I will send that lecture, okay? But don't try to miss any live lecture. Because in live lecture, I am there to help you out. Okay. Now please tell me.
Yes,
Please
sir.
tell me the language, Ria.
When 1 mole of electron
Wait. When 1 mole of electron
was given to 1 mole of
was okay gained by 1 mole of
isolated
yes, good. See, good. 1 mole of
isolated neon atom,
wait. 1 mole of isolated neon atoms.
the energy given was
Then, है ना? Then, then.
the energy given was
Are you sure it is given?
energy gained, sorry.
Yeah.
Yes, energy gained.
See the difference, Ria, and every participant. See, till now there was released. Means
Yes.
this was happy and this was not happy. This case released means this is happy, this is not happy.
Yes, sir.
Released. Okay, but in the first case, now you are seeing that this previously he was happy and now he is unhappy.
Yes, because
After
he is gaining.
yeah,
Gain.
what happened?
Because neon, this ion is gaining at energy. Sorry, energy.
Yeah, definitely, because initially it was in less enthalpy, and after accepting electron it became more. So more
Yes, sir.
tension. Previously he was happy because its octet was completed,
Yes, sir.
and by giving electron you have disturbed the octet.
Yes.
So he will feel unhappy, and
Yes, sir.
unhappy means he will increase his tension.
Yes.
So how much tension is increased? Tell me.
116
Yeah.
kilojoule per
So now complete the sentence. When 1 mole of electron was gained by 1 mole of isolated neon atom, then
the energy gained was
the
energy
can you use standard word for energy?
enthalpy.
Yeah. Then
The enthalpy gained was
enthalpy
gained
gained was
116 kilojoule per mole.
very nice. Very nice. I am now very happy. Very happy. This is the moment of the day that I made to learn you the concept. I am very happy.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Electron gain enthalpy may be negative also and may be positive. Are you sure?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. And today again I will give you in short term. We can use electron affinity also for same thing. Electron affinity is nothing. It is minus del HEG. Minus of del HEG. Electron affinity means love for electron.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Atom want electron or not. Okay. Affinity means love, attraction, requirement, need. Okay, children.
Yes.
School.
Yes. So electron affinity is nothing. It is another way of representing electron gain enthalpy. So minus, and you put the values of del HEG. So those who are in minus will become plus, and those who are in plus will become what?
Minus.
No.
So children, with this sentence we came to the end of this session, and we will discuss and will continue at 4 o'clock. So please join at 4 o'clock and be in contact. Solve your problem by asking more and more questions to me. Every problem has a proper solution. So please continue, and chemistry is a very, very interesting and easy subject if you learn properly. Otherwise, it is difficult. Okay? So
Yes,
till
sir.
then, enjoy and continue at 4 o'clock. Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye bye, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.